Whoa, don't bite my feet.
Oh, I got my toes chopped and my ankle chopped by cinders.
Yep.
I had to come up here and have my feet in self-defense.
This is called WrestleMania. Yep. Ooh, ouch. Somebody's hit their head. Oh. Come on out.
I like playing with tape.
Okay, Cinders has the red pink collar and Raisin has the floppy over ear. Raisin's outside the, whoops. That's Cinders. Raisin, who knows? Well. Oh, whoa, 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 be nice, be nice.
Who was helping?
I don't know, whoever's under